Let's go to question number 90, subset the 2. This is medium question. Let's get into it. Given a collection of integers that might contain duplicated norms, return on possible subset of power set. Note the solution set must not contain duplicate subset. Example. Okay, this is 1 to 2, so 1 to double 2 is okay, and then 1 to 2 okay, 1 to okay, and then empty also allowed. But how about 2 1? 2 1 is same as 1 2, so it needed to eliminate it, right? So today actually there are more than 2 ways to implement this code. This time I gonna extend the source code of the subset 1, because if the I think that it quite, I guess I'm quite sure this is follow-up question about of the subset 1, so that is the reason why I'm start from the subset 1 code. Okay, let's implement the subset 1 code first. Okay, I'm gonna make recursion first, dfs, first index and then array, and if I same as length of norms, and put for the hand list a to the deep copy, swallow copy, and return. And then next is I will recursion without adding array first, the dfs I plus 1 and a to generate to put to empty array, and then next I will add append numsi and recursion again, and then a par, and I'll put the rest of the list, and then def 0 to empty, and then return off. This is subset 1, so I will change it from here. To do this, first I will do here. Okay, before that we need to find the pattern. The first pattern is always the preceded item is smaller or equal to next one, right? So if the next is smaller, I will not use it. Okay, so if a minus 1 is small equal large equal numsi is large equal than a minus 1, I will do this one. And then okay, at first it has no item, right? So error occurred. Okay, at that time, if there are nothing, what we needed to do, yeah, that's like we just add, because that is empty, so not a or, and if we do that, this is makes sense. I also avoid the index issue. And then next, after make the duplication, so get rid of duplication, I will use the set, and then set did not allow the list, I will change the tuple, append add. Everything is okay, but this one, fortunately, this one is ascending order, but there are no mention we received the descending order. So first we needed to sort descending, then run. Okay, looks good. Okay, time complexity is this is n log n, and then to generate subset it take n factorial, and space complexity is there any extra used output? Output is n, and then system stack also same as length of the number of items. So space complexity is linear space. Thank you.